If you're trying to get your WordPress website ranked in Google, then you need to use these SEO plugins. The first one that I want to start with is Yoast. Now, you're probably predicting that I'd say that, and that's because it is the best SEO plugin overall, in my opinion. Yoast makes it really easy to create sitemaps, edit meta titles, descriptions, URL structure, and link your website with Google Search Console. Yoast also offer tons and tons of support. They've got a huge blog, lots of video tutorials, and they even have their own training academy in which you can pay for. They don't just have a general SEO plugin, but they also have a local SEO plugin which helps your website as well. The second tool is Broken Link Checker. One of the things that can harm your website significantly is broken links, whether that's an internal link broken or an external link broken. So if you change the URL of a page and you link into it from one page to the other, then this is a broken link and you should fix it as soon as you can. This plugin also checks external links. So if you've linked out to another website, then if they change their URL, then this plugin also notifies you. Make sure that all your links are fixed because they could potentially harm your search engine rankings. The third plugin is designed to make your website super speedy. As we know, site loading speed both on mobile and desktop is paramount to any website that wants to rank highly in Google. What Auto Optimize does is caches your website, which helps it speed up once the visitor returns to your website. It also compresses heavy code on your website to speed things up for the user. The next plugin is really Simple SSL. In order to have a safe and secure website, then you must have an SSL certificate. It's well known that having an SSL certificate does help with search engine rankings. So to activate your SSL certificate, download, install and configure Really Simple SSL. The plugin's free and you can do it in no time at all. The next plugin is Umph. I cannot emphasize the importance of a speedy mobile website. It's such a big ranking factor in Google, so you need to make sure that your website is prepared for it. Umph essentially loads a really light version of HTML code for your blog posts. Make sure you install this, configure it, and make sure that it's enabled on all blog pages. For all the pages we've worked on, we've disabled it for main pages, and we just save it for blog pages, so that we don't compromise any of the design features. Plugin number 6 is a Penlink on copy. As we've previously mentioned in another video, building backlinks is still the #1 ranking factor in Google. So what this plugin does is whenever someone tries to copy and paste some text from your website, when they paste it, the plugin drags your URL into that copy. So if you write a sentence with a statistic or something like that and someone tries to copy and paste it to go on their blog, a link from your website also follows that. Plugin number 7 you need to be using is NoIndex. NoIndex stops low quality pages being crawled by Google. You want to show Google the best version of your website, so make sure you NoIndex low quality pages. So what do I mean by a low quality page? A low quality page is something like an attachment page, a media page, a category page, a tag page, or maybe a blog that's only 100, 200 words, something like that. The 8th plugin is Google Web Font Optimizer. When you're designing a website, you've chosen a beautiful font from Google Fonts. It can sometimes be a little bit heavier than regular fonts that you find. So what this plugin does, it compresses that font so that it doesn't affect the performance of your website. What I mean by that is it doesn't slow it down. The final plugin that I want to mention is number 9, which is called Smosh. Smosh is a plugin in which you can compress images without compromising on the quality. Like I said before, speed is so important both on desktop and mobile. But high quality images can be a bit of a problem sometimes. Sometimes they can be quite heavy and large file sizes, which can slow your page speed down. So you install this plugin and then run through it and it compresses all the large file sizes. Once that's run through and once the plugin's running, each time you upload a new media file, it automatically compresses it for you, so you don't have to think about it. So that's my 9 top favourite SEO plugins for WordPress. I would love to hear your favourite SEO plugins for WordPress. Leave a comment below. Make sure that you like, comment or subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.